So let's get into all the interesting things that happened this week. It's time for the Intense 5. Did Amari really add wings to her forehead tattoo? Anyway, she has been doing several social media posts dissing Spice's new clothing line. I don't know if that's such a good idea though, girl. Then again, who's she to Spice? Spice are going with her good self. She had tried to look something. Sorry, girl, but you just fly away.
Did Jada go on Tory Lanez IG Live and offer her support following his alleged shooting of Megan Thee Stallion? Well, according to Dancehall News, she did, and her fans aren't too happy about it.
Yeah, it's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. I don't understand, like...
You know, when Shar said interesting, this really is an interesting
yeah, because that, I don't know, girl. I don't know. Like I said before, there's absolutely nothing that Tory Lanez can say to make me say, oh, I understand why you shot her.
I think somebody was saying, according to what he was saying on his IG or whatever, was that if it never hit the tendon and if it never hit, you know, like... It depends on the damage as to...
No! You shot, you fired, you like, even if it never hit her, bro, like... Anyway. He I'm not saying nothing more, cause...
Or reach 3.
TJ is like a new man. He lost 50 pounds in 2 months.
Wow.
He definitely used his quarantine time wisely. TJ, you look good. What you say? Crackers and water? Like, we need a little secret from that car. Yo, girl. She got to lose some weight.
Yeah, man, TJ look good. It's Abigail Mary versus one of her dad's alleged women, it seems, or his ex-attorney, it seems. We don't know, right? But whoever it is, I've been not backing down. Guys, why can't we all just get along? Kumbaya, my lord. Girl, spicy!
No comments. No comments. And finally holding the spot this week, since we're talking about Abby, let's just talk a bit about her dad and his recent post. We believe that everyone is entitled to their opinion, but this one, kind of sketchy. Not even kinda, it's sketchy bad. Bad.
Boy.
Jamaica people need to wake up, but now we're namas.
Very controversial. Anyways, that's it for this interesting Intense 5 tonight. We know you have lots of stuff happening in your community, so send us a DM and let us know. We're on IG at TVJ Intense.